Welcome back for another Make It episode, and for this one, all I used was a red t-shirt, hot glue, craft foam, and white mesh. Now, the first step I took was to cut out the shape of the mask out of the shirt, using the neck hole of the shirt as the bottom opening of the mask. I then hand sewed the mask together before taking some black craft foam and cutting out the eyes for the face of the mask. With the black eye pieces cut out, I began cutting out the eye holes of the mask itself. With white needlework mesh, I cut them into shape for the whites of the eyes, but white fabric mesh would work just as fine for this, and once all the pieces were cut out, I began hot gluing everything into place. After a few personal tiny touch-ups that I wanted to do, it's all done and good to go. If you have a suggestion for a future episode of Make It, please let us know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, all of that, and thank you very much for watching.